How to highlight text in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can highlight text in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First, you have to just open the project that you want to work on, and then you have to just come to this media section over here. And once you add it to the track, just go to the media section, choose the library and search for yellow background. And then you have to just add a yellow background and drag it to the track. Once added, you simply have to click the yellow background and then go to the mask section. You'll find it under the video section, and then you have to just choose this rectangle option. And now adjust the size of it. I'm just going to drag it to the text and adjust its size. And once you do so, you're good to go. And now you simply have to just click this again and then go to the basic section and scroll down until you find this blend option. Enable it, and then come to the mode section and click this drop down menu and then choose this multiply over here. And here you go. Now the text is visible. Now go back to the mask section and click this keyframe to the starting point. This is my starting point, so I'm going to add a keyframe over here, and then you have to just go to the ending point and add another keyframe over there. And now you just have to adjust the preview. I'm going to just drag it over here, and now if I play it, you can see it has added the highlight to the text on Capcut. And that's how you add highlight to text on the Capcut or PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.